Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a video on this new product that I purchased. It's a Neewer product. You'll see what it is once I open it up. This relates to everything that I do on the channel, and it's especially for those who are, interested in doing their own channel, whether it's drones or whatever you want to do on your channel. And yeah, this is for you. So if you want to upgrade your equipment, then stay tuned and watch how to start your own little mini studio, I guess, for your channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna rip it. Let it rip. Alright, so what do we have here? Okay, so this is the Neewer professional recording microphone stand. It is a what do they call this? It is a suspension boom scissor arm stand with a maximum load of 1 kilogram. So it's made of a durable steel, and it's good for podcasting, your homemade TV station or something like this, your YouTube channel. So I'm going to go and open this up and show you what we have inside of the box. Alright, so this is what comes inside of the box. You have the manual and a nice letter from the Jun Wan, who I guess is the owner of Neewer. So that's nice. You have this piece here, which is your microphone holder. You have a vice clamp. This would go connected onto here, onto the mic boom stand, and you would then place this and vice it onto the edge of a table, which I'll show you in a bit. So that's that. Let me open this up to show you the actual scissor arm. So it's a scissor arm, so you can see it has a nice suspension on it, sort of like a what do you call it, those stabilizers, which it is. It's a stabilizer. Put it in there, tighten it, and then you would unvice that. That would go on the edge of your table, and let me see if I can do it on my table, and that's that. And you can tighten this here on this bottom here, like so, and you place your mic in here. So what's really nice about this is that you can unscrew this. This is the stand, that the mic holder that it comes with. So it would be one of those, handheld mics that are round and, that thickness, and you just put it in. As you can see, it has a smaller thread than something more professional grade, like the stand that comes with the shock absorber stand that comes with the BlueBird microphone. So I'm going to show you. See, right now if I put it, it doesn't fit. So it has a thicker thread. So what's good about this is that you will need a coin to loosen this. You loosen this piece inside, and it has that thicker thread. So you place that on here, and now you can install this one onto it, like so. I'm not going to do it right now, but because I don't have too much space and I'm going to hit my camera, but you can screw it onto there. So if I take it out, I'll show you a different way. So you see, you can just screw it right on, and it fits perfectly. You put it on there, and it's a wrap. So yeah, I'm using, or I'm going to start using, because all of the videos I've been doing lately, I haven't had a professional setup. I've been kind of lazy, to be honest with you. I've just been using my SJ Cam SJ Star 7 cam, and just using the audio from the camera. But I think I'll probably be upgrading soon and doing better recorded videos, especially on the audio. So anyway, this is the BlueBird cardioid condenser microphone. It's a pro grade microphone. Many use it, you know, to record vocals, guitars, electronic or acoustic. And yeah, it's a really good microphone. You know, you would place it in here, then put it on top of there, and you're ready to go. Comes with a little pop filter, which is nice. So if you're like pop, 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 and you get all those pops, it'll filter that out. And yeah, it's a really, really nice mic. So I recommend, if you want to get started on your channel and you have a budget, a nice, decent budget, you can buy this microphone. I'll leave the link in the bottom description on where you can buy it. Also the mic stand, and what else? Yeah, and I'll also leave you a link to this microphone. It's another one that I have. It's a shotgun microphone made by Sennheiser. It's the MK-H416-48, and yeah, it's usually the standard that people use in the film industry. So basically that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for tuning in into the channel, and I hope you liked this video. It wasn't much, but again, you know, it's related to things that I do on my channel, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you'd like to see more videos like these, you know, hit that subscribe button down here, or you can also add a like, which would help the channel as well. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.